Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Today's recipe is courtesy Master Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. I had seen this recipe on his channel some time back. We are going to make a healthy version of hummus with whole green moong and avocado. Believe me, this is so delicious, creamy, rich, melt in the mouth, buttery texture. The avocado gives the lovely texture to this hummus, and I really loved it so much that I wanted to share this recipe with all of you. You can enjoy it with pita. It's quite nice and filling, and you can make some kibbeh or falafel on the side and the meal is complete. You don't need anything else.
You can find the ingredients list in the description box. Check it out. Now let's prepare the hummus. Add the green moong to the mixer jar. These are pre-cooked and cooled very well. Add little salt while boiling them. Drain the excess water and let them cool very well. To this, add one ripe avocado. Save little bit for garnishing. Now some tahini paste. This is homemade tahini paste. 3 to 4 teaspoons. This is the key ingredient that gives flavor to hummus. Few cloves of garlic. Salt to taste. I'm adding very little as there is salt in the boiled moong also. 3 to 4 tablespoons of spinach puree. This also has to be cooled. Lemon juice. You can use 1 lemon. Extra virgin olive oil, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Now blend all these to a smooth paste. Look at this lovely. Avocado gives the creaminess to this hummus. Check the taste. Now dish it out and garnish. Choose a wider bowl for this. Transfer the hummus into it. This is one of my favorite dips. You can make and enjoy many varieties of hummus with roasted bell peppers, with beetroot, apart from the plain chickpea hummus. Now with the help of the spoon, make space in the center for garnishing. Put some boiled green moong. And some thin slices of avocado. I'm placing them on the edge like this. Makes it look pretty. Now some microgreens. If you have, use them, or else you can skip. You can even garnish it with parsley if you have. Some red chilli flakes. Now drizzle some extra virgin olive oil over them. Lovely. Such a beautiful dish. Enjoy it with pita wedges. This version is really very healthy and a must-try recipe for hummus lovers. On the side you can serve some falafel or kibbeh and your meal is complete. Thank you friends. Check out these videos from my collection too. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Stay tuned. Bye bye.